Think you know space? Well, the universe is full of surprises. Today, I'm going to share 10 incredible space facts that will completely blow your mind. Even scientists find them unbelievable. Let's get started. 1. Diamond Planet. There's a planet called 55 Cancri E, and scientists believe it's made mostly of pure diamond. Imagine an entire world sparkling like a jewel in the sky. This planet orbits a star about 40 light years away, and if we could somehow mine it, every single person on Earth would instantly become a billionaire. 2. Space wind. Space may look empty, but it's not silent or still. The sun constantly sends out something called solar wind, streams of particles traveling at nearly 1 million miles per hour. These winds are powerful enough to create the beautiful northern lights on Earth, but in deep space, they can be deadly. 3. The largest volcano. Mars is home to the biggest volcano in the entire solar system. It's called Olympus Mons, and it's nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. To put that in perspective, if you stood at the base of this volcano, you wouldn't even see the top, because the planet's curve would block your view. It's the size of the entire state of Arizona. 4. Rogue planets. Not every planet belongs to a star. Some planets wander the galaxy alone, drifting endlessly in the dark. These are called rogue planets. Imagine a world with no sunrise, no sunset, just endless night, a lonely traveler in the universe. 5. Saturn's rings. Disappearing. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, but here's something shocking. They won't last forever. Scientists discovered the rings are slowly disappearing, shrinking by about 1 meter every 100 years. One day, millions of years from now, Saturn might be ringless, and that beautiful sight will vanish. 6. Spinning neutron stars. When a giant star explodes, it can collapse into something called a neutron star. These stars are so strange that they can spin more than 700 times per second. That's faster than the blades of your kitchen blender. They also have magnetic fields billions of times stronger than Earth's 7. Floating between galaxies. Space is so unimaginably vast that you could, in theory, float between galaxies and never hit a single thing. The distances are so huge that even light takes millions of years to cross them. Just imagine the silence of drifting in the dark, with entire galaxies far, far away on every side. 8. Mercury's short year. A year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days. That means if you lived there, you'd celebrate your birthday more than 4 times every Earth year. But there's a twist. A single day on Mercury, from sunrise to sunrise, lasts about 176 Earth days. So you'd have more birthdays than sunrises. 9. Stars make sounds. Even though space is a vacuum, some stars actually create sounds. Pulsars, for example, send out regular radio waves that scientists can turn into audio. When converted, these sounds are eerie, almost like a cosmic heartbeat or the ticking of a giant clock in space. 10. The hidden planet 9. For years, astronomers have been searching for evidence of a hidden world at the edge of our solar system. They call it Planet 9. It hasn't been officially discovered yet, but strange orbits of distant objects suggest something massive is tugging at them. If it exists, it could be 10 times the size of Earth. So, which of these space facts blew your mind the most? Was it the Diamond Planet or the mysterious hidden Planet 9? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts every day. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.